Few days ago, I bought a microphone from the AliExpress, only per $2. Let's see how it works. First, I'm gonna take this out quickly. It feels doesn't cheap at all. Looks like we have long wire with nearly 1 meter length. This thing has a tiny clip on it, so we can hang it on our dress or something. On the other end we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, so we can plug it into any mobile phone, tablet, PC, or any laptop. Let's try by plugging it into my tablet. You can see a message pop up. It means the microphone is working. Let's try recording a video. Looks like it's working fine. I think this is worth $40. If you are interested, I'll drop the link in the description section. That's it for now. I'll catch you later. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.